We shall now take a look at a flowchart where I am required to find whether a given number is odd or even. In order to do that particular problem or find solution to that problem, I need an input variable with the name number, or I can give any name to it. So in order to find if a number is odd or even, it's really simple. Okay, let's say I have a variable called as number. All right, these are the values to it. If I take 21 and divide it by 2, what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. If I take 20 and divide it by 2, what is the remainder? The remainder is 0. So the mod operator in programming helps us determine whether the remainder is 0 or 1. If the remainder is 0, I straight away tell it's a even number, else I tell it's a odd number. Let's take a look how we go about doing this particular flowchart. So as usual, the first step is have this start box. Then what do I need to do? I need to read a number. So I say read number. Once I read a number, I need to use a decision box. When I use a decision box, there are only two options here. The number can either be even or it can be odd. It can never be both at the same given time. So what I do is I ask the question, is number mod 2 equal to 0? Okay, so this is in the rhombus. All right, so this is the rhombus. So I'm asking a question, if a number is given, if I divide it by 2, is the remainder 0 or is the remainder non-zero? It can be true or yes, and it can be false or no. If the number is divisible by 2 and the remainder happens to be 0, I am going to say the number is even. Okay, I am using this symbol because I am doing an output. Then I can come down here and then I can stop. But I still need to deal with one more option. What is the other option? Whether the number is odd. So here I'm just going to do a very simple thing. I'm just going to say print odd. All right. And I can just close this fellow here. Not the most neat of flowcharts, but it gets the work done. All right. So let me go ahead and try to explain it to you. Let us say I want to determine if a number is odd or even. First, I'm going to read a number. Then I'm going to divide the number by 2. The mod operator in maths gives me the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then I can simply print the message even. If the remainder is non-zero, I can simply print the message odd and then I can come here and stop. So this is all that's got to do about how you go about trying to find whether a number is even or not.